Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, but today we are going to be using Maybelline's Fit Me Dewy+Smooth foundation and their new primer. I got these from Influencer for reviewing purposes, so thank you Influencer and Maybelline. Sorry if the lighting is in and out in this video. I'm using natural lighting, so you know, can't really control the sun and the clouds, so bear with me. It's just gonna be a get ready with me, a simple look for maybe like a date. I hope you guys like it and keep watching. We're gonna start with the Master Prime Maybelline primer. It feels nice and smooth, not sticky or tacky at all. Next, we're going to take the new Dewy+Smooth foundation from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade Natural Beige. And it's just an open bottle. There's no pump or anything, so we'll see how this goes. I wish it had a pump or a dropper at least. Right. So I chose my color online, so we'll see how good of a match this is. The color's matching pretty good so far, actually. So I usually use matte foundations, but this one as a dewy foundation, it's not that bad. So since this is a get ready with me, you guys are gonna get ready with me. Usually next I do concealer. Of course, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and the shade I use is Light Neutral. And this stuff is super thick, so I barely use any. Just dot it on and blend it out. Next, I'm going to take my natural bronzer from Rimmel London in Sun Bronze. Take that off. Take a little brush and buff it in. Alright, so I'm going to give you some information on this foundation. It says Maybelline's Smoothing Concentrate hydrates rough patches, leaving skin with a natural luminous finish. It's ideal for normal to dry skin, and it has SPF 18. And I believe there are 16 shades from what it's showing on the website. So now we're going to take our Tarte blush in Expose. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 350 palette. So for my transition shade, I'm going to be using this one right here. And I'm going to put that on my crease. Next, I'm going to take this warmer brown and put it on my outer crease, or the outer corner I should say. Just pop it right there to give it some depth deep in the corners. I'm going to take that same color. Sorry, the first color I was using, and we're going to do underneath the eye, just so it looks blended and seamless. Alright, next I'm going to spray my brush with some Morphe setting spray, and then I'm going to dip into this shimmery golden metallic color. I'm going to put that on the center of my eye. Next, I'm going to take this peachy, a really light peach color and put it on my brow bone. And then to brighten up those inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to take this, like a light pink shimmer shimmer. Alright, so that's pretty much for the eyes. I'm going to do my lashes and eyeliner off camera because you all know how hard that is for me, and then I'll come right back. Alright, so the eyeliner and the lashes are done. For my eyeliner, I use the Stila Stay All Day. And then for my mascara, I use Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes. For my brows, I'm going to use Colourpop's Black and Brown Brow Gel with an angled brush. And now for some highlighter. I'm using Colourpop's loose highlighter in Gnomie. And it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to take this shading brush, fluffy shading brush. My lips, I'm gonna use Colourpop's Lux Lipstick in 27. If you guys couldn't tell, I love Colourpop because they're so affordable, but there we go. I'm just gonna dab and get some color. And we're gonna set that all together with my Morphe setting spray. And that's the look. Thanks for watching my video and getting ready with me. I hope you liked what you saw, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.